WCPO 9 News reporter Andrew Rowan has been pushing for answers since November. He's live for us at Sawyer Point tonight. Andrew, we have very little information really about this case.
That's right, Craig. The prosecutor is holding the case close to her vest, and the detail of the case. 2 people are charged with obstruction. 2 others are charged with aggravated arson. This case has a new judge and a lot of people curious. Repairs are complete on the Big Mac Bridge.
State of Ohio versus Terry Stiles.
But the legal process is just beginning.
We are so far before the trial.
The state's evidence includes video surveillance footage from around downtown, including the pickleball courts, condos, Government Square, the casino, and the art museum.
There is ample evidence that persuaded a grand jury to indict these 4 people.
A majority of the evidence is unknown to the public. Attorneys redacted 5 full pages of their evidence list.
What's in here?
Well, I can't tell you that. That's case sensitive. These things are not going to be top secret in the courtroom. But right now, because we're so early in the process, we're not allowed to comment on it.
That includes the cause of the inferno.
Right now, we don't know.
That was the Cincinnati fire chief in December. We asked again last week, and a spokesperson referred us to the prosecutor.
The fire department has finished their investigation and has sort of forwarded it all to you all, and you can't release it, or they're not done with the work yet?
I can't answer that. I'm doing the best I can while preserving the integrity of the trial process.
The fire inconvenienced 50,000 daily drivers, impacted businesses, and cost taxpayers $10 million in repairs.
3 of them have been unable to post bond, so I assume that they're uncollectible.
The bridge is back open, but for now, exactly what happened is still in a haze.
It may seem like it's a long, long time to many people, but this is called due process, and we can only achieve justice with integrity if we follow due process.
Zachary Stumpf and Terry Stiles were both deemed competent to stand trial, but Stiles filed an additional plea of not guilty by reason of insanity. The court has yet to make a ruling on that plea. Live downtown, Andrew Rowan, WCPO 9 News.